Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the top names in the VPN industry. In fact, it's already dethroned the previous defending champion ExpressVPN on many charts. Well, that's because NordVPN is heavy on features, including extensive internet freedom, solid security, and silky smooth streaming services. It's also big on privacy with diskless infrastructure and lets you run 6 devices simultaneously. Did I mention the price tag? Yeah, NordVPN is definitely making noise, in good ways. Privacy and quality. If those 2 features sound good to you, then NordVPN is your man. The VPN service excels at privacy, using the latest technology to keep anonymity strong and your freedom at its best. With all the features loaded onto the truck, NordVPN also delivers a fab experience. NordVPN has more than 5,500 servers worldwide. The number isn't the only thing that's impressive about NordVPN's server collection, though. Diskless servers ensure the ultimate in anonymity and privacy. NordVPN also offers the full range of server types for your convenience and viewing pleasure. There's not much you can't connect to your NordVPN account. To begin with, you can hook up to 6 devices at a time, so the whole family can enjoy anonymous viewing. Plus, NordVPN works with Linux, Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS devices, as well as smart TVs and web browsers. As with most serious VPN service providers, NordVPN uses the military-grade encryption technology 256 AES GCM encryption. It also tags on a 4096-bit DH key for good measure. NordVPN also has double VPN servers, onion over VPN, and obfuscated servers if you're looking for major privacy options. NordVPN works swimmingly with Netflix from any device and location you might find yourself in. It also supports torrenting, P2P sharing, and other streaming services like Hulu, BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime, and the like. These are great if you're looking to stream some geo-restricted shows or movies. NordVPN doesn't present the lightning-fast speed test results that some competitors can boast. This is due to the overly strict security protocols the service has to jump through. Still, NordVPN has unlimited bandwidth. Practically, this means that you probably won't feel the slower speeds anyway. NordVPN makes it easy to hide your IP address, encrypt mobile browsing, and make secure transactions from anywhere. Additionally, NordVPN has a built-in kill switch, so you're never exposed, split tunneling for smoother surfing, and IP masking. There's also a malware blocker and leak protection. NordVPN has competitive pricing. Pay $371 per month for 2 years. Many competitors make you sign a 3-year contract for that price. You can also get a 1-year plan for $492 a month or pay $11.95 for a single month's use, but why would you do that? NordVPN lets you get in touch in a lot of ways, 24/7. You can send them an email or connect with a live chat rep. Alternatively, you can meander through the help center on the site. It's full of helpful questions and answers about subscriptions, features, and connection troubleshooting. NordVPN is proud of its no-log policy. The only information NordVPN ever saves about you is your email address, so that they can get in touch with you for troubleshooting guidance and, yeah, marketing. NordVPN even has a warrant canary, and that's not as cute as it sounds. NordVPN definitely delivers on the security and privacy fronts with various protocols to choose from. It's also great that the VPN keeps 0 logs, and I mean 0. NordVPN is also consistently up, works with Netflix, and has a cozy 30-day money-back guarantee on top of competitive pricing. I hope this video helps you decide whether NordVPN is the right VPN for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.